Hi, I'm Kim Strong, inventor of Ciao Baby, the go-anywhere high chair. Ciao Baby is a practical solution for active families with small children. Ciao Baby simply unfolds, locks into place, and folds back up in seconds. It's an all one-piece solution that requires no table, chairs, or any other mechanism to work. It's a freestanding chair. Find us on Facebook or visit our website at www.theportablehighchair.com.
The Summer Infant Pop and Sit Portable Highchair is ideal for the family on the go. It features an innovative pop and fold setup with an over-the-shoulder bag. Whenever you need a place for baby to sit, just pop it open. It's made of machine washable fabric. Just remove the seat and throw in the washer. The tray is dishwasher safe. For safety, there's a 3-point harness and a wide base with no-slip rubber feet. As an added convenience, there's also a rear storage pocket. The Summer Infant Pop and Sit Portable Highchair is sure to be an essential for you and your baby.
Are you ready to carry a high chair in your purse? The Easy Seat makes that possible with its ingenious over-the-seat back design. It fits securely on a variety of chairs and has a 5-point harness to keep your baby ultra secure. It's so easy to set up and use, you might just forget about your regular high chair altogether. Just slip the Easy Seat over the chair's back, secure the tether strap, slide your toddler into its comfortable sling, and clip the shoulder harness into place. Presto! You have a high chair anywhere. It's even machine washable. Do that with your regular baby chair. Use it at home or take it with you to that next dinner invitation. The Easy Seat, a high chair that fits in your purse for busy families like yours.